Hi guys, today we're making some Jell-O. So this is lime flavored Jell-O. And we have some ice trays because we don't have a kind of bowl for the Jell-O. So the ingredients we need is boiling water and ice cold water that has some ices in there and a measurement cup. Hello? And a spoon for mixing. And the scissors for cutting. Now let's cut it open. Hoya, hoya, hoya. Oh, it cut it on the bottom. Let's cut it open. Wow, look at all that. I'm going to pour the whole thing. So much Jell-O we're going to make. Is anything else in here? Oh, no. Smell it. This smells good. Just stir it for a little bit. We have to stir it for 2 minutes. So you have to stir it for 2 minutes. I'm going to stir in fast speed. Little speed. It's acting like liquid right now. I know when this is gonna end. So this is lime flavor. It's lime and it's green. Now we have to pour some. After I'm done mixing, we're gonna pour 1 cup hot water and 1 cup cold water. So now I'm gonna mix for 2 minutes, and then we'll pour the cold water inside here. 1 cup. I don't know how much minutes is left. I think it's already more than 1 minute. Is it done? I'm gonna check. I think it's done. Now I'm gonna pour the ice cold water 1 cup into this measurement cup. We have to fill it all the way, even maybe to 160. Yeah, let's pour it to 160. Do one spoon. It's spilling. What's happening? Now I'm gonna go 1 cup of ice cream. Oh, that's gonna be a big mess. Oh no. Now I know how to faster. Wow. What's that? Oh, the ice is really happening. Tornado. Let's go get things. It's that thing. Oh, it's looking so weird. If I'm going to do it, we need to warm this one. We want to do it to be less, right? What is this? So now I've been in the refrigerator for 4 hours. Where's the cover thing? So now I wrap this, and now I'm gonna make extra dough in here. And I'm gonna mix in here. So after this, we're gonna refrigerate for 4 hours. We're gonna use it for. Now we just put it in the works. That's it. So now I've been 4 hours. Now let's dump out the Jell-O. And so this is the bowl that I'm gonna be eating it in. Let's take out the jar about it. Let's flip it over. Come on, come out. Come out. It feels funny. Hey, come out. It's not coming out. It's stuck. Stuck in there. You have to unfreeze it with my finger. There, it's working. It's working. Ah! It came out. It's a wiggle jiggle. The wiggle jiggle. Ah, so messy. Now let's take out the little ones, the A-kidz. You just squeeze it like this. It's supposed to be like this. Squeeze it out. So now we take that too, and let's take out the rest. Start popping these things out, right? Oh, give me that. Have to pop these things out. I guess it's hard. I popped it out. But I couldn't say about let's pop out the others. Pop. Oh, come out. Come out. And let's come out the others. It's not getting messy already. Squeeze all our arms. Squeeze all of it. Now we'll take everything out later. Now let's test it out. Eat the little ones. It's so wiggly. This one is the wiggliest. Tastes yummy. So thank you guys for watching. So please like and subscribe. And I'm gonna keep eating this Jell-O. Bye guys. See you on my next video. Bye.